Hello, dear friend. How are you? I hope you are fine, doing well. Welcome to my channel Tech with Uni. Today, I am going to share with you the topic is air conditioner repair Plano TX. जी हाँ, air condition repair. So, if you still haven't subscribed my channel, please like, subscribe, and please press bell icon. What what to do when my AC is not cooling? What to do when my air conditioner is not cooling? So air conditioner not cooling, common causes and solutions. If your AC system turns on but doesn't blow out cold air, ensure all the vents are open and the thing mates is set properly. If these aren't problem, check the air filter. It is collaged with dirt, other debates and won't give it any airflow. If your air conditioner is running but not lowering temperature inside, one issue could be blocked or clogged condenser coil. When operating correctly, the conditioner that draws into the outcome unit through the conditioner coil, pull heat energy out of your home. Um, why is my AC cooling but not chilling? The conditioner coil must be clean to dissipate heat outside. As the coils get dirtier, the air conditioner becomes less efficient, which makes it work harder to cool the room. If the coils are dirty enough, the unit will never be cold enough and will not be able to cool them. Thanks for watching, my dear friends. If you still haven't subscribed my channel, please like, subscribe, and don't forget to bell icon my channel. Thank you.